Any idea on how to create a contact group on iPhone to establish effective communication? This video will guide you through several proven ways to make exchange incredibly easy. Part 1. How to create contact group on iPhone manually for email. Run the Contacts app. Click the plus icon and select New Group . Name your group and press Return. Press All Contacts again to add contacts. Drag and drop the contacts you want to add to your new group. To check your new groups on your iPhone, launch the phone app. Click Contacts and choose Groups. Run the Mail app and tap the new email icon at the lower right. Enter the contact group name in the To field. Hit the group name when prompted before writing and sending an email. Part 2. How to create a contact group on iPhone via Assistant for iOS. Mobikin Assistant for iOS. To use this smart program, you just need to connect your iPhone and computer with a USB cable, and afterward, it'll display the data types. Next, it lets you create contact groups as you like. How do I create a group on my iPhone with Assistant for iOS? Launch it and connect your iPhone to the computer with USB. Follow the on-screen prompt to let the utility detect the device automatically. Click the Contacts section. Tap the plus button to add new groups of your contacts. Part 3. How to make contact groups on iPhone with Groups app. There are an array of applications on the App Store out there enabling you to generate a group of contacts on your iPhone without a PC. Part 4. How to create a group in iPhone contacts via iCloud. iCloud saves users' data on the Apple server, using two-step verification to protect their security. iPhone operators can do many different activities with it, including making a group of contacts,